I'm Andrew.
I'm Kevin.
Welcome to Brojects. Any little room like that you're trying to create ambiance, lighting is a very important thing.
Want to see the lights?
Ooh, fancy, fancy.
Pretty good, eh? I like the way they light it up.
I think it's gonna look awesome with the backlit. What about another strip down the center?
Yeah, maybe put another one in. It is a little bit dark in here.
So what we did was we ran some low voltage LED strip lights inside the lath, so when you turn it on, it kind of glows. We should get your picture on the wall.
We should have my picture in every wall of this building. Can you turn that off?
No, I can't actually. Physically unable to. It wasn't quite enough light for the room, so we also built ourselves a little DIY chandelier.
When it comes to electrical, Andrew and I are not professionals by any means. Chris is somebody that's given us a lot of help with electrical before.
So it's essentially just a circuit board that Chris made up that we can practice on. You're done?
I am done.
I turned mine on.
Box is smoking.
Oh my God. I looked down and there was something smoking in my junction box. In the end, we got it working.
Did you be impressed? I am done.
To complete the chandelier, we just took one of those slabs that we used for our tree, cut a bunch of holes in it, ran some extension cord wire to a socket, and they just kind of hang down. We're gonna mount that in the ceiling. Level.
That looks really good.
I think it's really cool looking. You know, it's not exactly a forest theme, but it's nice soft lighting. So we're trying to make the facade of the bathroom look kind of like an outhouse. I'm just gonna make a cutout of a moon, like a crescent moon, as you see in a lot of outhouses. I just took the door that was on the bathroom and clad it with some old boards that I found downstairs, just to give it a rustic touch. So once we finished the interior of the bathroom, we wanted to kind of make the exterior look a little bit more rustic. So this is gonna be a little light, and it's gonna backlight the moon in the door. When you turn on the lights for the bathroom, the moon will light up, and it will tell people that you're in there so that no one uses the archery range. If the light burns out, you're in trouble. Ready to be impressed? Pretty cool.
Really?
Okay, let's throw this door on.
Good.
Okay, pretty good. She looks rustic, eh? This week, we began with a cramped and dingy space and created an open and clean bathroom inspired by nature. We repurposed slabs of lumber for the light fixtures, as well as wrapping them around the support stud. In addition, we created a flume sink faucet with copper pipe and made a rock sink basin. We installed LED lights underneath the lath to create an illusion of filtered sunlight. And finally, we used Kevin's photo of the woods to create a sense of depth on the walls, as well as using a rock base for the toilet.